In this video we want to compare Kinder Joy surprise eggs with a new Milka Chocolate egg. On the left there is the purple egg from the German chocolate brand Milka. On the right side you see a Kinder Joy surprise egg from Hungary. We bought this purple surprise egg in a Walmart supermarket in China. Have a look at the packaging with printed ingredient on it. The packaging on the left looks more colorful and lovely made. It has a great new shape we have never seen before. Cadbury Chocolate is using this shape too, by the way. Now we gonna open both surprise eggs. Let us start with the Milka egg. We are going to compare the eatable part of the eggs now. The left egg has small bite-size crumbles in chocolate cream inside. The right one comes with a mixture of milk chocolate and white chocolate. In between there are two crispy waffle balls also filled with chocolate. Now at the end we gonna have a look at the toys. We are putting them side by side and comparing them with each other. Which one do you like the most? We like the finger puppet doll with a cow shape better than the soccer shoe stamp maker. Feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks everyone for watching. Feel free to subscribe to see daily more unboxing and review videos. Have a great day. Thanks guys.